In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy customizable item on Dhgate. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Once you're on the home page, head to the search bar at the top and type customizable items, then press enter. This pulls up a wide range of products that can be personalized. Before you dive into results, look along the top area of the page for the filtering options. Find the option labeled customizable and tick that box. Turning this on narrows the list to items that actually offer personalization, saving you time. On the left-hand side, you'll see a category panel. Use this to refine your search. Choose the category that matches what you're after. For example, jewelry, if you want a necklace, bracelet, or ring. This helps the site show you more relevant listings and fewer unrelated products. Browse through the results and pick something you like. When a product catches your eye, click it to open the full listing. On the product page, check the top menu or tabs again and select the customizable section if you see it. Some listings group all versions of a product together, so this view makes sure you're seeing the option that supports customization. If the page offers a search or selector within the listing, use it to locate the exact variant you plan to personalize, like a particular color or style. Next, click the customization button to open the form. Here's where you add your details. Type in the text you want, such as a name, initials, or a short message. Pay attention to character limits, capitalization, and spacing, and choose any available font or color options if the seller provides them. If images or logos are allowed, follow the upload instructions and use clear, high-resolution files. When in doubt, leave a note in the message box on the page to clarify placement or formatting so the seller understands your request. Take a moment to review everything. Confirm the size, color, quantity, and shipping destination, and read the processing time, since customized items often take longer to make. Custom pieces are usually final sale, so check the store's policy on personalized orders. When you're satisfied, click Add to Cart. That saves the item with your customization attached and gets it ready for checkout. And that's it. Your personalized pick is now set up on Dhgate and ready to order. If needed, you can return to your cart later to edit notes before placing the order.